Hello guys, you are welcome back to Larbi Premium Concepts. On this channel, we share educational content ranging from mathematics to accounting. So in this video, we are going to look at how to solve for just ended 2021 Wassce core maths portion. So the aim of this video is to present to students and learners about how to go by the approaches we use in solving basic mathematics portions and also to prepare students for any examination they may engage on. Hello guys, you are welcome back to Larbi Premium Concepts. So in today's video, we are going to look at how to solve for Wassce 2021 question 2. That is what we are going to look at for in this video. So let's see how we can go through that case. Given that P is equal to Q minus T all over T plus 1, you have to make T the subject of the, that's I, make T the subject of the relation. I find the value of T when P is equal to 2 over 3 and Q is equal to 3 out of 4. So that is what you need to answer. And you also have the B part in that. So let's start with A. So we have P is equal to Q minus T all over T plus 1. Okay? So you realize that P is a whole number. Okay? P is a whole number. So divide by what? 1. Oh, that is correct. So once you have these terms at both sides of the equation, all that you can do is to take the T plus 1 and multiply by the P and take the number 1 and multiply by what? Q minus T. So it becomes P into bracket T plus 1. Then we go to 1 multiplied by Q minus what? T. I hope that is correct. Good. So up to this stage, what you need to do is to expand the bracket. Okay. So this is what you're going to do. You multiply the P by T, you multiply the P by what? 1. And you do same on your right hand side. You multiply 1 by Q, you multiply 1 by what? Negative T. So it becomes what? PT plus P multiplied by what? P. Okay, I'll follow you. Then we have 1. 1 also multiplied by Q, again what? Q. Then 1 multiplied by T, giving what? Negative what? T. All that is clear. Then, from here, we can, so let's bring it here. We can say that I have PT plus P is equal to Q minus what? T. So all that we'll do here is to group like terms. I'll group like terms in this case. I'll group like terms. So I have negative T and I have PT here. So I'll have my PT here, and this negative 1 is giving the PT becomes positive plus what? T. And then I'll do same for the groupings of what? The Q. So I have Q here. I have here to do what? Positive P, right? So when it joins the Q, it becomes what? Negative P. That is. So once I'm able to get to this stage, all I will do here is to make what? T the subject. So I'll factor T out. So it becomes what? T into brackets. So factorization has to go with, after all, whatever you get, when you multiply whatever you get within the bracket, you should be able to get the question back. That's it. So like that about factorization. Okay. So here it becomes what? P plus 1. If you like, let's try and see. T multiplied by B will give me what? PT. Okay. And then T multiplied by B will give me what? T. So that is the whole idea about factorization. And equal to what? Q minus what? P. So once you get to this stage, okay, you divide both sides by what? P plus 1. Divide both sides by P plus what? 1. I hope that is clear. Good. So once you get to this end, P plus 1 will cancel what? P plus 1. Alright, so it becomes T, which is equal to Q minus P all over P plus 1. I hope that is clear. So that's your equation for the T in this case. But then the question is also, as well as I. So we can say that this I. But the question is also asking us to find what? I. Find the value of what? T. When P is equal to 2 out of 3 and Q is equal to 3 out of 4. So let's see for that one too. So I have here I. we know t is equal to q minus p all over p plus 1. And we are aware that p is equal to what? P is equal to 2 out of 3. And q is equal to what? 3 out of 4. Right? So once I go to get these values, all that will do is just substitute the values in here. So I have t to be equal to, so I know q is what? 3 out of 4. So it becomes 3 out of 4 minus, and then p is what? 2 out of 3. And divided by, I know p is what? 2 out of 3 plus 1. So once you get to this stage, you have 2 over 4 minus 2 over 3 and all over 2 over 3 plus 1. So all that you need to do here is you need to ability to solve for the numerator and you need to ability to solve for the denominator. And here you'll be getting what? 1 out of 12. Then the denominator is going to be 5 out of what? 3. That is what I got in my calculator. So here it becomes a cross multiplication, right? So I create cross multiplication, reciprocal. So it becomes 1 out of 12 multiplied by 3 out of 5. At any point in time, you take the reciprocal of 2 fractions. The denominator fraction changes to the tenth. So instead of 5 out of becomes 3 out of 5. At the end of the day, when you came on the calculator, you should be able to get what? 1 out of 20 in that case. So that's how we go by solving question 2A for Wassce 2021 in that case. So that is that in that case, whether you can combine it or just leave it in. Okay, so that is the A part we just solved. So let's move on to the B part. Say given that n is equal to 2x all over 1 minus x squared and n is equal to 2x over 1 plus x. We are to express in simplest form 2n minus n in terms of what? X. So that's what we are told to do. So let's see. So here is what? B. Here is B. Here is D. That's option 2B. So we have been given this to express. So we have n to be equal to 2x out of 1 minus what? X squared. And we have n to be equal to 2x all over 1 plus what? X. Hope that is clear. So here, all that we need to do here is to bring this one here. So it becomes what? 2n minus n. That is what we are trying to simplify this. So it becomes what? What I need to do here is to ensure that whenever you see m in the expression 2m minus the expression 2m, you substitute the value of m there. Wherever you see n in the expression 2m minus n, you substitute what? 2x all over 1 plus x. So here it becomes 2 into brackets. I have m here, so m is what? 2x over 1 minus what? X squared. Alright? Minus. Well, that was the general minus here. Then I have n to what? 2x all over 1 plus x. So that is going to the expression. But here, once you get to this stage, you should be able to simplify to the lowest form. Shouldn't label it in this way. Shouldn't be able to break down or simplify to the lowest form. So let's see how you simplify this in that case. So all I need to do here is to multiply this by all of this. So you're going to get what? So this one is 2. It is 2 out of what? 1. Right? So the 2 will multiply the 2x and the 1 will multiply what? The 1 minus x squared. I hope that's clear. So here, 2 multiplied by 2x will give you what? 4x. Let me bring it here. 4x. Okay? And then 1 multiplied by 1 minus x squared will give you what? The same thing. 1 minus what? X squared. Minus, I have here to what? 2x all over 1 plus what? X. So once you get to this stage, the next thing you need to do is to find your LCM. But then you can see something from here. We have 1 minus 1 x squared What can you tell me about 1 minus x squared? It is one of the maths that you can use to break this one out. It is called what? What is the name of that? We call it what? Difference of what? 2 squared. So if you remember when we were discussing the issues about algebra, we said if I have a squared minus b squared, you can break it down to become what? A plus b, and then a minus what? E. That's what we said. If you remember. So that is that. So let me turn it. I want just to give you a hint about how the 1 minus x squared is going to be in brackets. So this one I can break it down by saying that here is 4x all over 1 plus x 1 minus what? X. I believe that is okay for you. Right. Then the same thing also, I have it with 2x all over 1 plus what? X. So let's say this is only in brackets. So when you get to this stage, you can see that you have two terms that are the same, right? You have 1 plus x and 1 plus x. So you take that one as what? 1, okay? And then you attach the odd term that is not common to the two terms. That will be your LCM in this case. So your LCM here becomes, so your lowest common multiple is what? 1 plus x, 1 minus what? X. So once you get to this stage, okay, all that you need to do is to ask yourself. Alright, so as we said, you're going to have what? 1 plus x and 1 minus what? X. That's your LCM previously. So I have 1 plus x, 1 minus x. This 1 plus x, 1 minus x goes into 1 plus x, 1 minus x what? 1. So 1 multiplied by 4 is going to give me what? 4x. I hope you are following. Right. After getting 4, it's also the same for the 2x all over 1 plus x. Realize that I have 1 plus x here, it goes into the whole of this as what? 1 minus x, because this one will cancel, so you'll be left with what? 1 minus x. Okay? So you multiply the 1 minus x by the 2x here, so it becomes what? 2x into bracket 1 minus what? X. So with this, you'll expand the bracket. With this, you'll expand the bracket. So it becomes what? Let's see. It becomes 4x minus 2x multiplied by 1 is giving what? Minus 2x. Okay? And negative 2x multiplied by what? Negative x will give what? Plus 2x squared. I hope you are following. Right? All over 1 plus x, 1 minus what? X. Okay, so now I have 4x, I have 2x. When I subtract, I'm going to get what? Positive what? 2x. So it becomes positive 2x plus 2x squared all over 1 plus x, 1 minus what? X. Realize that at this point, you can still simplify to the lowest form again. But we have 2 here, we have 2 here. We have x here, so we can do some factorization. In this case. So here, I can say that I have, so I'm going to bring the 2 out. I have x2, so I'm going to bring another x out. Okay? Then I have a bracket. So I'm having 2x here, that's the same thing. So meaning that the 2x will multiply a particular number, that is going to get the 2x back. And that number is what? 1. So it becomes what? 1. Plus, I have 2x, so the 2x will go here as what? 1. And the x goes here as what? X. So it becomes something like this. 2x squared all over 2x. So the 2 cancel here, make it 1. X goes here 1, this goes here what? Another x. Is that okay? So I'm left with what? Here to what? X. All over 1 plus x, 1 minus x in this case. So at this point, you can see that we have some similar terms, right? So 1 plus x can cancel off what? 1 plus x. So we can say that, let me bring it at the top here. We can say that therefore, this can cancel off this. So therefore we can say that the whole of 2m minus n is equal to 2x. Okay, for this one we'll cancel this all over 1 minus what? X in that case. This is going to be your answer for this question 2n minus what? N. So that's why we bring an end to the question 2 on Wassce 2021 question 2.